Sit in a comfortable meditation posture. Make sure your neck, shoulders, and back is in a straight line. If you are looking for a support, you can rest your back on a wall, making sure everything, all these three parts, are in a straight line. Keep your hands in the Dhyana Mudra, right hand on the top of the left, thumbs touching each other. Place gently on your lap. Close your eyes. Take a deep inhalation and exhale through the nose. Be aware of your body. Now we will chant 7 rounds of Om chanting. Inhale through the nose. On exhalation, Inhale through your nose. Inhale through your nose. Inhale through your nose. Last 3 rounds. Inhale through your nose. Inhale through your nose. Now take a deep inhalation and exhale through the nose. While inhaling and exhaling, feel the vibrations in your body, energy that has been vibrated throughout your body, from head to all the way to the toes. Pay attention to each and every part from the top to the bottom. Let's begin from the head. Bring your awareness to the brain. Feel the sensations in the brain, in the skull area. Slowly bring your awareness to the eyes. Feel the sensations in the eyes. Stay there for a couple of breaths, feeling the sensations. Now slowly bring your awareness to the ears. Feel the sensations on the ears. Now bring your awareness to the nose. Feel the sensations and vibrations in and out of the nose. Now bring your awareness to your mouth, tongue. Feel the sensations on that area. Now slowly bring your awareness to the chin. Feel the vibrations on the chin. Now slowly bring your awareness on the neck. Release any tightness that you are holding in that area. Now slowly bring your awareness onto the shoulders. Release any tightness or tension that you are holding in the shoulders. Now slowly bring your awareness to the upper arms. Now bring your awareness to the forearms, between the elbow and the wrist. Feel the sensations and bring your awareness to the wrist and hands, palms. Feel the sensations in and around fingertips and palms. Stay there for a couple of breaths. Feel the entire sensations in the hands, starting from the shoulders to all the way to fingertips. Now slowly bring your awareness to the chest area. Be aware of the movement of the lungs. Your chest is moving upward on the inhalation and backward on the exhalation. Observe the chest moving upward and backward on the inhalation and exhalation. Now slowly bring your awareness to the stomach area, all the way to the hips. Feel the sensations in that area. Now slowly bring your awareness to the hips. Our hip joint is the most important part in our body, which connects lower part and upper part. It holds most of the tension in our body. Relax the tension in that area. Being aware of that hip joint, try to relax that area. From here, slowly bring your awareness to the area between hips and knees, thigh area. Your thighs support the body by doing the movement of flexion and extension, especially thigh muscles. Be aware of this area for a couple of breaths. From here, bring your awareness from knees to all the way to the toes. Feel the area, your shin muscles, calf muscles, ankles, toes, feet. Feel the entire area from the knees to all the way to the toes. Now slowly bring your awareness to the breath. Observe the breath that is moving in and out of the nostrils. Feel the warmth of the air that is going inside your body and leaving your body. Air that is moving from your nostrils to throat area to lungs, and from there it is distributed to all parts of the body, and from there again air, the waste, carbon dioxide that is released is carried from the lungs all the way to the throat, to nostrils and outside. Feel this process happening inside your body by paying attention to the breath. Now slowly bring your awareness to the center of the eyebrows. Feel the vibrations between the center of the eyebrows. While having a gentle breath in and out of the nostrils. Your awareness, entire awareness, should be between eyebrows. Feeling the stimulations around that area. Our center of the eyebrows in different cultures is called third eye. It is because of the nerve endings in that area will increase our inner perception. That is why in different cultures it is called third eye. Stay there for 3 to 5 minutes. Your entire focus and awareness should be on the center of the eyebrows. If you come across any distracted thoughts, it is totally fine. Don't be bothered or don't pay attention to those thoughts. Thoughts that are not paid attention are dead and they don't have any effect on you or on your energy body. Feel the vibrations between the center of the eyebrows. Feel the relaxation that is happening in your head area, especially in the forehead. Now take a deep inhalation through your nose and exhale through your nose. Take a deep inhalation through your nose. On the exhalation, two more rounds. Take a deep inhalation through your nose. Take a deep inhalation through your nose. Now slowly feel your entire body. Bring your awareness of your entire body, head, shoulders, chest, hands, hips, thighs, shin and calf muscles, ankles, feet, toes. Feel the vibrations and awareness of your entire body. Once you are comfortable and aware of your body, slowly rub your palms and place it on your eyes and feel the warmth and heat that is generated by your palms directly passing into your eyes. Slowly bring your hands to the prayer pose. Namaste. This is the end of the session. I hope your body and energies are relaxed and calm. Thank you so much.